Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a simple makeup video. Basically, I'm just not going to go like really much detail with the products that I'm using. I'm just basically just playing with some colors today because I got two videos. I got to have two videos done. Okay, get two videos done. I'm basically doing 3 videos today. I'm just because it's just going to be a busy week for me. I don't know. At this point, I don't know, okay? Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. Also, if you'll be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. Okay. I know I've been slacking doing videos. I know I have been slacking. And there's a reason why. There's a reason why. Work. And also motivation more than anything. So I did ordered more of my neutral eye base primer from Beauty Creations. I really love this brand. I've been loving this eyebrow pencil that I got from Covergirl, and I really do enjoy it. So I'm definitely going to repurchase it because I really like it. There's that. Okay. I am going to play in the Morphe Sweet Oasis palette. That's what it looks like. And there we go, because it's some teal colors I want to play with. And I decided, you know what? I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone more than anything with different colors, because I like to stay with the same color family and everything. But lately, I'm just like, no, I don't want to stay in the same color family. I just want to. But in a way, I really want to get out of my comfort zone when it comes to eyeshadows. And I'm very excited for this, for the Ice Cream Beauty bag, because I add on their duochrome pigments. I'm very excited because I think that would get me out of my comfort zone, and I need more duochrome anyway. And also I do have a project I want to do. I will talk about that in a whole different video, but we're just going to create this makeup look that I feel like we're going to go. So if you have this palette, great. If you don't have this palette, I don't think you can get this palette anymore, but there is many colors that is quite similar and everything else. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use Sweet Lagoon. I love like this palette. You know about how I feel about that palette. I am doing a project with that palette. You'll understand, like I said, but we're going to go and create this makeup look I'm about to create. So I'm going to use Sweet Lagoon because I like ocean base eyeshadow palettes. And this is, I feel like this is an ocean base, like a sea, you know, a beachy mermaid thing. That's what I like. So I decided, you know what, let's match my shirt today, because really, I could easily use the Lure palette, because if you have the Lure palette from Blend Bunnies, you really don't need this palette, because you've got that and also the other palette they came out with. Part 2, I would say. And then I'm going to use Saltwater Dip. It's nice blue. You're thinking, you just use a dark color and a light color. You don't normally do that, Alex. No, I don't. But you know what? Different techniques, especially with these colors, and you do something different, it's going to be a little bit different. A little bit different. It's not going to be like the same. Okay. Then I'm going to use Hidden Coal, because like I said, we're just going to go. You're thinking, Alex, you're not going to see the difference. If you do, if you do. If you don't, you don't. I'm going to go back to Saltwater Dip a little bit. And that's going to change that color just a tiny bit. Because I usually match, if I'm doing a look, I kind of match with the color when it comes to the shimmers, like be like a blue-green, there you go. But I'm actually going to use this shade called Just Us 2. It's like, sorry, I'm not flicking you guys off. This is what the shade is, and it's like so pretty. I'm like, you know what? Let's go for it, because why not, you know? So I'm just putting this right in the middle. You can go black eyeliner if you want. You can go with whatever you feel like it would work for you. To tell the truth, I really don't go with black eyeliner. I don't even go with eyeliner at all if I'm doing something like this. But it's gonna be a but with this. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and might as well do it, right? Let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm gonna use the Slip Flick one from Revolutions, the Relove one. And I really like the formula of that one, so I will finish this makeup look and you'll see the results. Be right back. Okay. I finished up the look. Of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. I will have affiliated links through Amazon or one of my affiliated links that I use. All that money from the affiliated links would go towards back to the channel, so where I get to try out more makeup, you know, so on and so forth, that goes back into this channel 100%. So, but yeah, this is what I came up with. When it comes to these colors, I like to go with a color like this. Like, it stays what I want. Still a beachy vibe with the lips and the face, but I really do like this look. I love playing with these colors. Like, I need to get away from the greens. I need to get away from the blues. I need to get into the reds and the oranges and the yellows and so forth. But that's another time, because that's another time. But yeah, I really do like this palette from Morphe. I did get this from my niece when she didn't want to use it anymore, because she is a makeup fiend like I am, and she just uses what product she hasn't used or doesn't use anymore, she gives it to me. And like I said, this is like, to me, this is like a nice palette. There's so many palettes out there are quite similar to this. So you got Blend Bunnies, which I highly recommend. You do have a palette, maybe a little bit similar, from Profusion. I just can't think of the palette's name, because I think I do have it in my collection. But other than that, yes, there's a couple of shades. Like, I'll talk about the project. I'm going to go with the WetnWild SpongeBob collection part. But that's here and there right now. But I really do like this palette. Like, you can go with a grayish, you can go with really like a very neutral. But to me, this is like a nice, cool tone, neutral palette that will work on everybody's skin tone. But if you don't have this palette, there's so many palettes out there, and I will put them down below if need be. But you can go ahead and comment down below, and if you're asking what palette is similar to this, I will comment back on which ones that I have in my collection. And also, I do a little research for you, so do that for you guys. But yeah, I really do like this look. Like, I could do a cut crease with this. Like, I think I'm gonna need to do that. Don't know when, but I'm going to do that for you guys, because let's get out of the comfort zone, you know. But yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you, and God bless. Bye.